loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Please make sure you click that red subscribe button while you're watching if you're new here. I'm giving you some extreme laundry motivation today. I have got to do my laundry, my kiddos Landon and Presley's laundry. I've got towels, blankets, sheets to wash. So you're gonna be washing with me, folding with me, hanging things up with me so that you get some extreme laundry motivation. And I'm very excited to be partnering up with Downy for this video. If you haven't been following me over on my Instagram, I'm at Bits of Brie, but you've probably seen over there if you've been following, I've been participating in the 30 Wears Challenge where I have worn this yellow striped t-shirt 30 times, washed it 30 times using my Downy fabric conditioner, and it still feels so soft. I'm not even kidding you. This thing still feels just like new. Might have just gotten a little grease stain on it. But other than that, it still looks and feels just like when I got it from this store. But if you've never used Downy, Downy strengthens and softens the fibers in your clothes so it keeps them from breaking and pilling, and it keeps your items looking like new. And because over 40% of consumers throw away their clothing after wearing them less than 10 times, Downy helps keep a lot of clothing items out of landfills. So it's a win-win. It saves you money, it helps the environment, and Downy is gonna keep the clothing that you love looking and feeling like new. I've used it for years and couldn't recommend it to you more, and was just so excited to partner up with them. So grab a bottle of Downy, participate in the 30 Wears Challenge, tag me and use the hashtag 30 Wears Challenge, pick an item of clothing, wear it and wash it 30 times using Downy, and see how it feels at the end of the challenge. And I'm sure it's gonna be feeling soft and keep that item looking like new for you, just like this one for me. But I highly recommend you check out Downy if you're not already using it when you do your laundry. I'll have a link in my description box down below. But let's get going, because again, I've got loads of laundry to do. One of the big things I've been doing that I think helps save my clothes and keep them looking like new longer is washing them in cold water on the delicates or the speed cycle on top of using my Downy. And I definitely notice a big difference in how long my clothes last. But I will confess, I am the worst at laundry motivation. I swear sometimes my clean clothes just hang out in the dryer for a few days. I don't know if anyone else has that problem too. So I hope that this video gets you up, gets you moving with me. Throw in those loads of laundry. We'll fold them together, put them away together. And spoiler alert, I felt so accomplished at the end of this video because I seriously did loads of laundry and it felt amazing to have it all clean and put away. So click the thumbs down if you hate doing laundry, but make sure you click the thumbs up today if you get the motivation that you need to do it. And if you didn't see our master bedroom closet makeover video, make sure you check that one out and you can see what this looked like before. It's seriously made such a difference in my organization and keeping it clean, and just my mental health around our organization in this closet puts me in such a better mood. And it also keeps me more motivated to do the laundry now too, because I want everything nice and neat and put away. But you should see what a mess it looked like before. It's been such a transformation.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Place that we're in, but I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah.
And my little girl Presley is just growing like a weed. It is crazy. She's already in size 3T, and I feel like I'm going to have to do a big purge of her clothes for fall. So let me know, would you be interested in me doing a video of a fall clean out, of just getting rid of all of my kids' clothes, probably some of mine too? If that would be motivating, let me know.
Time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure.
Landon is also growing like crazy. He's already in a 5T, and I have not done back to school shopping for him yet, but let me know if you have any suggestions for places where you've gone back to school shopping or where they have really good deals. Let me know.
No us no more, we done now. No us no more, we done now. No us no more, no, no. We done now. No us no more, we done now. No us no more, we done now. No us no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. We don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, we don't know. No words no more, no, no. Yeah. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep
I hope that this video gave you some extreme laundry motivation to get through all of those loads of laundry. Thank you again to Downy for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to use that link so you can get yourself some Downy for when you do your laundry. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.